There's no easy way to upgrade the motorway between Reading and London. Centimetre by centimetre, the new smart M4 is starting to take shape. We are 9 months into a 4-year project. With 130,000 vehicles a day, it's one of the country's busiest roads, and it's the longest single smart motorway scheme.
At the moment we've got somewhere just north of 600 attached to the project. At our peak we expect to have roughly 1,500 workforce.
West of Reading and runs into West London. The section east of Maidenhead is the most complex, where the main work starts in May. Increasing the motorway's capacity by a third is costing £840 million. Paul Clifton, BBC South Today, Berkshire.